This is a fit for a 2012 through 2014 Tesla Model S with a panoramic roof and fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium Wingbar Evo base roof rack system. This system is using the Wingbar Evo load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the necessary fasteners to connect to the fixed point connection. This is part number KIT 3130. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 36 inches, front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the panoramic roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.